Hello everyone and welcome back to another video, another trading day, or not really trading day because I didn't take any trades. First of all, before I forget it, if you're new to the channel, I know you are. If you're watching this, leave a subscribe to support me to see my journey, how it ends out and everything. Like the video so more people can see it and maybe relate to these videos and maybe I help someone that way. I mainly do make these videos for myself just as a type of journal, let's say, so I can come back in 2 years and watch all of these videos. So yeah, also comment something nice, or if you have any questions, suggestions, just write it in the comments and I'll answer it in the next video for sure. So today beautiful day in the markets. Unfortunately, no trades taken. I didn't get the opportunity to get the trade but I absolutely nailed the bias, everything. I was flawless today, just didn't get the opportunity to execute properly. Sorry about my hair. I just came back to from the gym. I'll started recording this video and I'm going to shower after this. So yeah, let me get to the charts right now. So this is the S chart. Let's see. Okay, shortly. Long story short, let's say I've had a bullish bias. Like, no, I didn't even think in a single moment that market will go down today. Because if you look, and if you did watch the yesterday's video, you know that markets took also some higher time frame draws on liquidity to the downside, picked up some liquidity, and those were my targets. But also yesterday I didn't get any chance to enter, and I also said if market can take this out or even leave it, I can target it, or if it takes it, it will go higher. And it did take it out, and it also tapped into this 4-hour fair value gap, which was beautiful. And when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, great. It left previous day high up here, 1 hour high right here. Let me go to the 1 hour. We have 1 hour right, 1 hour high right here, Asia high right here on the lower time frame. 1 hour high, previous day high, and London high. We have 1 hour SMT also here, where the ES swept out the London low and NQ didn't, as you can see, and that created a higher time frame. ES, when I saw that again, I was like, it just adding up to go higher. So we can get to the 5 minute right now. I marked out everything. London high, sorry, London high right here. Uh, Asia high, 1 hour high. I originally wanted to target those. Uh, in the pre-market, London high gets taken out, and on the market open, uh, it retraces into 15-minute fair value gap, which is a great example of internal liquidity getting swept, then market grabbing, external liquidity getting swept, and market taking out the internal liquidity in form of 15-minute fair value gap. So as I saw this, I was literally just waiting macro to enter the trade. London high was out of the way, so the next target would be Asia high and this 1 hour high. Basically, macro open, we were already up here, and there was an opportunity to take a trade. It was on this 1 minute fair value gap. I was like, okay, here is a 1 minute fair value gap. I can long it that, and I decided not to because of premium and discount. I learned my lesson. So I saw it's a deep premium, and I'm buying the price at a premium price level extremely premium price level if we look at this 5 minute 15-minute leg up that happened after this retrace into 15-minute fair value gap. So I was like, yeah, I will not do that, and fortunately for me I didn't, because this would be my trade, like long here, my stop loss right here, and then target these, and as you can see I would get stopped out in the same candle that I entered. So yeah, I avoided the loss successfully. So yeah, great start to the Trading day again. I learned my lesson from earlier this week and all those previous times when I did that mistake. I finally did learn that lesson. Market retraced into this 5 minute discount range, and I was like, bet this is perfect. We swept even those 1 minute lows here, but it created this 15. Oh my god, I hate when this happens. Uh, it created this 15-minute fair value gap, and I was like, okay, we have a doji candle right here. Would market go after this doji candle creating this 15-minute fair value gap? Would market go after taking this out high, just this high out, just to Asia high straight within leaving this gap open? I was like, not really. So I actually wanted to see uh, the retrace into that 15-minute fair value gap. But then what happened? Yes, SMT on the 1 minute. I think it was on 1 minute, not yeah, 1 minute SMT. Let's say, and oh my god, this is terrible. So as you can see, NQ made a lower low and ES made a higher low. So I was like, okay, this is just another confirmation of us going up, and now this low is protected by this SMT. If the market wants to continue to take out Asia high, 1 hour high, we shouldn't go below this low. So this 15-minute fair value gap was not relevant anymore. I wanted to see this 1 minute fair value gap getting disrespected, which happened on this candle. Realistically speaking, I could have entered just off of that. I'm not gonna lie, at the moment I wasn't thinking about that. And if I would have, my stop loss would have should be under this low that is protected by the SMT, or I mean maybe this low, but I wouldn't bet on that. I would like put it down here. I would win the trade, but the risk to reward would be very, very poor. First partial 1.22, the second take profit 156. So I would make fortune. I would win a trade though, but you know, not a great risk to reward. I prefer not to take trades under two risk to reward. Uh, so when I saw this 1 minute fair value gap getting inversed, I was like, great. I just need to wait for 1 minute bullish fair value gap to create and long off of it for these, and yeah, take the money today. Unfortunately for me, this big candlestick popped out of nowhere at 10:07. It came too close to the Asia high and this 1 hour high, and then it created this 1 minute fair value gap. Sorry, oh my god, I hate this. Um, so it created this 1 minute fair value gap right here. I was actually considering taking the trade off of this, and I was like, yeah, the risk to reward will be shit, but 165, 1.2. At least I will make some money back, that I lost earlier this week. So I was like, okay, I'll take long off of this because now we are even too close to this Asia high that it needs to take it out. It will not leave it right there. And this 1 hour high, the relative equal highs, it won't leave it like that and not sweep it. So yeah, but unfortunately, it never came to this 1 minute fair value gap. Went out, take out both draws on liquidity I had. There were another 1 hour high and previous day high up there, but longing for those again, extreme premium, and as you can see, market didn't reach them. It was extreme premium, not worth it. I was like, no, I will not chase the price. It's unlucky and unfortunate that I didn't get to catch this move. But, those types of days happen where you are right. I was like in perfect state today, like as you can see, everything to the point. I knew what was happening, what will happen, why will happen, everything. I predicted everything, literally everything today. Unfortunately, I just didn't get the entry. And yeah, honestly, today the biggest win for me was not taking this trade. I know in the past 2 months with my bad mental state, I would take the trade. Realistically speaking, out of FOMO, chasing price, I'm so happy that I made the decision to don't take that trade. I can't explain that to you. Even though I didn't take any trades today. This is huge win for me. Like the way I analyze the price, all my reasoning behind everything, it's a huge win. So yeah, that's about that. I don't know, didn't really pay much attention to NQ because it did sweep also London high, came back to 50-minute fair value gap, but it came then on this leg like to the new day opening gap, and it was like really close to Asia high already. So when this retracement happened, I don't know, I no entries either even here, like the only thing that I could have entered off is also this 1 minute 1 minute inverse, and put my stop loss here, target Asia high for 1.48. Is it ideal? Not at all, because in my eyes, taking the trade based off of just inversing 1 minute fair value gap is not worth it. I don't like that concept, honestly. It feels too risky for me. Like, yeah, sometimes we disrespect that fair value gap, and then, as you can see, we literally disrespected this 1 minute fair value gap with this candlestick, but still continued higher. So the same could have happened with this one, disrespected, and go lower, take out this. So it's too much of a risk. I really like to wait for 1 minute fair value gap in the direction that I am aiming for to tap into it. I'm entering on that tap of the fair value gap, and yeah, that's the entry strategy that I'm using. So this is the breakdown of this beautiful price section. I was actually enjoying reading this price section. It was actually beautiful. It made so much sense. It, it just had a direction clear, where it's going, why it's going, and I love that. I love these days, and I love trading because of it. It's so fun. Uh, what I'm expecting for tomorrow is honestly to I don't know. I would like to see these highs getting taken out. Uh, I would see I will the ideal scenario would be for me, like with this respect to this bearish for our fair value gap. So I would like to see, for example, some type of retracement through the Asian low and London, and maybe like sweeping this low resistance liquidity and coming back to the discount of this range. So yeah, around here. Not I would like to see this fair value gap, uh, the free and untapped if it's possible. I don't know which news we have tomorrow. Just give me a second. Friday. Okay, consumer sentiment at 10. So before any trades, we are waiting for that. But yeah, would like to see price in Asia and London slowly push to the discount, and after that, some type of let's say a reversal to the upside, because I would like to see the 4 hour getting up here. Let's see, what did we take? Yeah, okay, because we have also this 4 hour high right here that is relative equal high with previous day high from yesterday, and this and this. So yeah, I would like to see price push above this high for the end of the week. See the weekly chart. Yeah, it would be honestly ideal. Yeah, we are inside of this bearish weekly fair value gap. So we will see. It would be ideal for me to see this high swept, and maybe like next week, what I would expect is all of this liquidity getting taken out throughout the week, because as I said, on the weekly chart we are on this in this bearish fair value gap. If we sweep the previous day high, we don't need to close above it, just sweep it, leave the week, respect the bearish fair value gap on the weekly, and then I can expect for this all of this to get taken out in the next 2 weeks. Like, let's say, that's what I would like to see. That's something that I can call right now. Will it be 100% right? Will I be right? I don't know. We will see. That's my prediction, and I know why I'm making that prediction, because realistically speaking, this fair value gap right here didn't take any external liquidity yet. So this is the next external liquidity we have. So yeah, waiting for that. Uh, can't wait for tomorrow, honestly. I hope that tomorrow brings another day of this price action. It was like actually beautiful, and if we can have this price action, this type of price action properly, like I bet that I can very soon get back to the funded account and pass it. So yeah, this is the price type of price action that I love and that favors my strategy. So yeah, again, if anyone watched this whole rant, I first of all hope that you learned something from this, that I helped you in some way, because that would mean a lot to me. If you like me as a person, I don't know, like this content, want to see what will happen and follow my journey, subscribe to this channel, because I will post like very often these type of videos whenever I trade and the market makes sense, like trade ideas, everything. I will post it here. So yeah, please subscribe, like the video, so more people can see it. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask them in comments. I will make sure that I respond to them in the next video. See you tomorrow. Have nice rest of the day, night, wherever you are. And if you are trading Asia session, trade safe. And good night for me, I guess.